9.825. Alex Marks, who competed only vault last year for the Sooners, has been in the bars lineup this year. 5 feet 8 inches tall. She is impressive.
She uses every inch to show off the lines on this event. Beautiful handstand, just a little bit sicker with the feet. She has the toes together. Needs to try to squeeze those ankles together for perfection. But wow, what a nice, you got half in, half out. That dismount is so uniquely done. So crisp and clear, the twist in the air.
The senior from Cushing, Oklahoma, did part of her club training at Dynamo Gymnastics in Oklahoma City, as well as Bart Conner Gymnastic Academy. Proud of this young lady.
Check out the handstand. Now the judges sit right on the side, so they get a perfect view. She is a little bit short of that vertical. She finesses it, but I think they'll get her just a little bit. And the dismount, half in, half out. Beautiful landing.
Young lady's a head taller than almost every other athlete on the floor, and yet she uses that long swing to her advantage.